In this episode, we look at the role of Lady Fidha, one of the greatest servants to have served the Ahl al-Bayt and who was also present at Karbala and its aftermath. Lady Fidha was arguably the oldest lady in Imam Hussein's camp. Lady Fidha, commonly pronounced as Fizza in Farsi and Urdu, was the servant of Lady Fatima Zehra, daughter of the Holy Prophet. She was from Ethiopia, but the year of her birth is unknown. Some historians say that she lived for 120 years. It is said that her original name was Maymuna, but Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself named her Fidha. It is reported that after the Battle of Khaybar, Prophet Muhammad gifted Lady Fidha to Lady Fatima for help with her household work. Lady Fidha therefore became one of the most trusted and admired servants for the Holy Prophet and Lady Fatima. Historians write that Lady Fatima never considered or treated Lady Fidha as a servant. In fact, one day the Holy Prophet had come to visit Lady Fatima and saw her grinding wheat while carrying one of her sons. The Holy Prophet asked her to give this work to Lady Fidha. And Lady Fatima responded that it was not Lady Fidha's turn to work that day. So even though Lady Fidha was a servant of Lady Fatima, she was still treated equally and justly, and hence shared the workload with Lady Fatima. It is narrated also that Lady Fidha learnt and remembered the Holy Quran, and that she often used to communicate and answer people by giving the relevant Quranic verse. It is narrated that the Holy Prophet one day asked Lady Fidha for her reason of happiness. She responded that whenever she hears Lady Fatima call her sister, and Imam Hassan and Hussein and Lady Zainab call her mother, she couldn't be more happier. After the death of Lady Fatima, Lady Fidha continued her service for the family of the Prophet and came to the service of Lady Zainab. On the day of Ashura, she was also one of the captives. She was very old at that time, but she still managed to try and take care of the children and the women of the caravan. When Imam Hussein and his companions were martyred, and it was announced that the corpses of the martyrs would be disrespected, historians narrate that it was Lady Fidha who came to Lady Zainab with this news. At the court of Yazid, Lady Fidha reprimanded Yazid's servants, and her voice was so authoritative that it influenced Yazid's servants to refusing to humiliate her. When she saw this, Lady Fidha then said,
"Oh, you poor slaves, you could care for a servant but not her master, the Lady Zainab. Don't you know who Zainab is? She is the granddaughter of Rasulullah."
She intervened and raised her voice at Yazid for disrespecting Lady Zainab. She reminded Yazid and his advisors to whom they were speaking to and humiliating. It is said that she didn't live long after Karbala. It is true to say that Lady Fidha served members of the Ahl al-Bayt, considering them as friends of Allah. Therefore, she dedicated her life for them.